It is always comforting to eat a bowl of hand-pho soup. The clear and transparent broth is enriched with the taste of the hen which has been slowly simmered on low heat. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by simmering the hen. For that, put in a pot 1 hen, 1 onion cut in 2, 30 grams of ginger cut into thin slices, 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 3 liters of water. Bring to a boil. When it starts to boil, turn down to very low heat and let simmer with the lid for 2 hours and a half. Soak 400 grams of dehydrated rice noodles for 1 hour. Mince the spring onion and the cilantro. Prepare the fried garlic. For that, chop 30 grams of garlic cloves. Fry them in 3 tablespoons of oil over medium-low heat. Regularly stir. When the garlic begins to brown like this, cut the fire and continue to stir for 15 seconds. Then pour it in a bowl. The hen has simmered for 2 hours and a half. Remove it and let it cool for 15 minutes. Remove the fat on the surface of the broth. Cut the hen's flesh into pieces. Prepare a bowl of soup for each guest. Take 1 portion of rice noodles in a colander. Put it in boiling water for 30 seconds. And put it in a big bowl. Add 3 ladles of boiling broth. And garnish with hen pieces, homemade bean sprouts, spring onion and cilantro, fried garlic, ground pepper, and chili oil. Now it is time to enjoy this bowl of hen pho. Bon appétit! The first spoon of the broth will determine if the dish is successful. The firm flesh of the hen allows slow and regular covert cooking. This allows all the flavors to infuse in the broth. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.